Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to set notifications to display as count, stack or list in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings, and in settings scroll down and click on notifications. Now click on notifications, and on top you can see the display as section. You can set notification to display as count, stack and list from here. You can select count, stack and list. Your notification will be shown in list and stacks and count. You can select anyone. So this is the way to set notification to display as count, stack or list in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.